The easiest and the fastest way to find viral topics for your Faceless YouTube channel is by using an AI tool. And if you're new into Faceless content and you want to find out the fastest way that you can grow your channel, or if you're simply confused and you do not know the actual channel that you can start working with that can make you to go viral and easily get monetized, you do not have to worry, because I found an AI tool that can help you to find viral topics for a Faceless channel, and this tool is called Vidx.ai. Okay, so this is an amazing tool, and I must confess I've tried it and it was so wonderful. Now let me take you to the tool so you can see for yourself. Now go back to Vidx.ai website to sign up to discover faceless niches that you can start with, also discover viral topics and also analytics for your faceless YouTube content. You can also find hottest, AI YouTube shorts and videos that you can use to grow your channels. Now to explore the amazing features that comes with Vidx.ai, click on the hamburger sign. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to click on Faceless YouTube Video Library. Now, when you come over here, you can see you have title, description, and channel. So you can start by imputing a hashtag or a video title. Now for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be going for cooking. So I want to explore faceless content that has to do with cooking. Okay, now look at all of this and then filter for whichever one that works best for you. Okay, so for many of my filters here, I choose unlimited. Now you can choose whichever one that works best for you. So let's see the kind of content that we're going to see for faceless cooking videos. So once you are done filtering all the content or all the features that you want for your own video, please go ahead and hit on search. As soon as you hit on search, you're going to see lots and lots of cooking videos. Now you're going to see lots and lots of cooking videos here. Like I said, you can see the time it was posted, what year it was posted, how many views it has. So now I'm getting this result because of what I filtered for. Okay, so if you want content that has very high view, you're going to filter for it. Because I chose unlimited, so that's why it's giving me this. So now let's quickly check for viral faceless videos. Now let's assume you want to start a new YouTube and then you want to know what kind of videos are easily go viral. Just click on that viral faceless YouTube and then filter, like I said, for whichever one that suits best for the kind of content that you want to create or for the kind of channel that you want to start creating content for. Now choose the content that you want. So when you said unlimited, it means you are not so particular about the time, you're not so particular about the length, you're not so particular about anything. So it will just randomly just give it to filter it and give you the best results for your search. Okay, here I'm filtering for the country. So if you know the country that you want to check for viral faceless content that's that is trending in that country, just go to the region side and then choose. Okay, now you can choose more than one country, you can choose more than 3, you can choose as many as possible. So here I'm choosing United Kingdom and then United States. Okay, let's see the kind of content, okay, that people who are there, who are creating faceless content in these regions are posting. Okay, I also choose India. Now you can see the creators, you can see the number of subscribers they have. Okay, now you're seeing 118 subscribers because I have chosen unlimited. Now if you want to see creators that have up to million subscribers or more than 100 subscribers, please filter for that on your own. So as I said, take your time and go through all the options there and then filter according to your channel or according to the topic that you're looking for. Okay, now you can see that you can consider that this creator has over 66 million views in his channel, and this channel he created it and this video I mean to say he posted it on November 2025 on the 1st. You can see the kind of content that this person creates. So if this is the kind of content that you also want to create, okay, you're just going to go over to this person's channel and copy exactly what this person is doing. Okay, so this is how you can discover viral faceless content for your YouTube channel. Now let's filter for another region and see what kind of content that people of this region are also creating. Now I chose Nigeria and Ghana. Now you can see the kind of content also that people who are from this region are creating. You can see these ones have low subscribers. Like I said again, because I chose unlimited. Honestly, this AI is the best because it's made creation very easy and fast for me. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? Please go ahead and hit on this button. I'll see you in my next video.